Right?
Shahak.
Shahak?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Great to meet you, Yossi. Thanks for being here.
Yeah, thanks
Great.
for the opportunity.
So now you're with Maverick Medical AI.
That's correct.
That's your company.
Yeah.
And Maverick Medical AI is a platform that sort of combs data through to identify the real key clinical insights in the medical record. Is that right?
That's correct.
And the idea is to be able to do sort of a snapshot of a patient by having this extraction. Is that the idea?
Yeah, that's the idea. We would like to be able to read any type of clinical text, understand that as a physician, to a physician level, and be able to structure that so we would be able to provide insights to physicians, save their time of reading the entire medical records, making them create better decisions.
So what is the problem that it is trying to address? I can think of sometimes a patient will give me a stack of records, here's my chart, and you're like, okay, I got to go through all this to figure out what the key points are.
Exactly. So, as you said, there are so many documents for patients, specifically for elder population. And medical notes are being spread all around, different type of systems, and most of the data is unstructured. So in order for a physician to get a real sense about the medical condition, he needs to read the entire medical chart. It is well known that primary care physicians spends about 6 hours a day reading and handling their EMR systems.
And what? 6 hours,
6 hours a day.
Oh
6
my
hours
gosh.
a day. That's,
where have we come?
Exactly, and that's in the U.S. That's a statistic for the U.S. And we want to help them being able to get the right and relevant information at no time. So once the patient is coming to get a treatment or to get a consultant, the physician will be able to talk to him, to look at him, and not on the computer. We're all familiar with the way that physicians are looking all the time at the computer and doesn't really interact with the patients.
So Yossi, how does it work? Do you sort of scan all the records into a website or a cloud, and then the software works to extract the key information?
So not far from that, we take the data from the EMRs, and we're running a very sophisticated AI technology, which is being patented as I'm speaking right now. And we know how to understand clinical language by specializing each one of those clinical languages and create a separate algorithm for them. And once we cover the entire medical domain, we know how to process those reports. So when a physician comes to the office, he opens the EMR and you're going to see the right summary that is relevant for him.
That's great.
Yeah.
What would you love to see in the next year with your company?
So we started to work with payers, helping them doing a better billing and a better reimbursement, and also providers, helping them make better decisions. So more tractions of customers and more specialties support from my R&D team.
That's great.
Yeah.
Well, Yossi, best of luck with this company.
So
thanks for trying to help us doctors make us more efficient during the day.
Sure.
It's great work, so great to meet you.
Thank you.